Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update. And first of all, if you want to actually learn trading, do check my trading course. If you want to pay for 29 bucks, do join the Discord and message me on the Discord as well. So, what is going on with Bitcoin? Okay, so I did talk in yesterday's Discord channel that potentially Bitcoin is aiming to go down for $41,000. So the issue is that you in the 4 hour time frame you do have a continuation pattern known as a three black crows at this point of time. Okay, so continuation pattern. Right now you're making a false potential move to the upside to actually go to the downside. Now this might play to be a bear flag. Okay, so be careful of a bear flag, and if it starts to make a bear flag, of course we're looking for potentially there to there, and that's going to be even way more drop down to the 40,700 if you want to say. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at this point of time. So why is it that you can actually do that? I'm going to tell you why is it possible. If I turn on the volume, you do have a divergence of the volume once again. Okay, just like previously we've learned before, the prices are moving up. Look at the volume shooting down. There's no buyers, so the buyers are actually not pushing the price to the upside. That can actually tell you this is a fake pump, like my X. Okay, so it's fake as my X, by the way. So here we are, and this is like making a bear flag right now, and potentially move to the downside. Okay, so what's the safe zone? The safe zone, once again, you want to see Bitcoin actually come above 45,000, 46,000, and that's when it's going to be ideal for me to say that, oh, okay, we're looking good. It's okay, fine now. Bitcoin is looking amazing. But at this point of time, it's a threat. And we talked about the threat in yesterday's video of a descending triangle as well. So where does this descending triangle takes you down? 41,000, okay? One more thing before I close the video though is that on the weekly I'm going to tell you one more thing. We have how many days to close the weekly? 3 more days. Okay, today's Thursday until Sunday. Now look at the weekly chart and how bad it's looking. Okay, so if you do start to come down at the 40,000 here, you're putting in an evening star. So on the weekly you're potentially gonna roll even way more down. So you guys have to be careful a little bit. And that's it from my side, guys. I'm gonna see you with the next update. Allah Hafiz.